My God.
Fun ka?
Chip! Sobra, Chip! Sobra!
Kasi nakakahiya ka pati unan.
Kapatid prayer yan. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hello? Is it true na ginagamit ang RoboVac namin para magnakaw?
Well, that's why we're here, sir. Para makahingi ng tulong to find out who made the unit.
Okay, have a seat.
Okay, thank you po. Sir, pasensya na. Na-starstruck po ako. Kailangan po kasi namin ma-check po yung system po ninyo. Kasi po baka po na-hack. Kasi po baka po kasi na-compromise po yung objections at yung...
Baka po na-compromise yung production ng mga units niyo.
Yes, that's right.
All our units are programmed, checked, and secured by the best IT personnels.
Ayun, sabi ko sa Chip eh. Nache-check talaga nila yan. Magaling yan eh.
Kung may nag-hack man sa amin, I would know.
It's better to be sure, di ba, sir? We would like to check.
Agent, I am not a criminal.
Mr. Vergara,
Please call me Skyler. Mr. Vergara was my father.
well, Skyler, hindi ko sinabi na kriminal ka. I just said we would like more information para we can investigate this case properly.
Aside from being the top-selling RoboVac in the Philippines, there's nothing else to know. I guarantee you, Agent, wala kaming ginagawang illegal dito. Biktima lang din kami.
Sabi ko nga po, biktima nga po kayo. Sir, pero baka po kailangan po nating ma-recall para wala na po tayong mabiktima pa. Siyempre, ayoko po masira pa yung pangalan nyo, Idol.
No, 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 no. We can fix it internally through our software upgrade. No need to recall any units.
Okay. But if you do have any more information that can help us in our case, please give me a call, sir.
Of course. But you mentioned na meron ka ring RB RoboVac. So how was it? Was it good? Was it helpful?
Nag-struggle yung asawa ko, no? Isa, but in the end, nakatulong naman sa kanya.
You want another one? Meron kami dinidevelop.
Ay, alam ko po yan! Yan po yung bago nyo, yung Robodog! Para sa mga gusto ng pets, pero ayaw ng fur!
I like you.
I like your intentions, too.
Gigi,